Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. If you don't get ahead of weeds before they get ahead of you, they will beat you this year. The tool we're using for the job today is this one here. This is our old push spork from the vet. This one is ancient, it's in the nursery for the last 15 years or so. I want to show you a new one and how they work. You've got the wide, that one that I'm using is the wide push spork, and then you've got the narrow push spork like that. They're made from sharp Swedish boron steel. They have a great big long handle. They're actually longer even than they used to be. There's a slight couple of inches more on these handles nowadays. You can cut the weeds, dig them out, and then turn the push spork on its back to rake them out afterwards. They're excellent weeding tools. So what you do is you work along like that, and then you can turn the spork on its back to weed over the area. And then where there are deeper ones, if we look up around this side here, where you have a dandelion there, you can dig it up out of the soil like that, and a bit of grass there, right up along, and then turn the spork on its back to weed or to rake over the area and leave it nice and clean. So going back this way as well, so grass like weeds there, and when you see this creeping buttercup here at this point, ground is sticky this morning, a creeping buttercup there at that point there, we can dig under it with the spork like that, then turn it on its back like that and rake over the area to get it nice and clean. Excellent weeding tools, brand new ones are nice and sharp in the web shop. Have a look. They're easy to use. You've got the P-grip handle, that means that you're standing nice and straight and it's not hard on the back. So when we look back in this way again, before I see weeds here, that area there, and then we can rake over the area again nice and cleanly like that with the push spork on its back. So it's an excellent weeding tool, definitely a tool very much fit for purpose. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.